Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to change phone number on Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on Facebook. And once you're inside the Facebook, you will be appear with somewhat like this on your screen interface. So in order to change phone number, go ahead and click on that three dots which is appear on the top right corner. Scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and among them choose see more in account center. Now you will be appear with your details. Now click on personal details. So in order to change your phone number, what you gotta do is click on your contact information. So to change your number, you have to delete the previous number you have added. So delete it, and once you have deleted it, you can add a new phone number. So click on add new contact and add new phone number, and simply type the phone number you would like to add and click on change. Doing so will successfully help you change your phone number on Facebook. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.